Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects countless women around the world, menopause. It's a phase that brings about significant hormonal changes, and in this video we'll explore what happens during menopause and share some valuable tips on maintaining hormonal balance through lifestyle and diet. So let's jump right in. The basics of menopause. Menopause, a natural biological process, signifies the conclusion of a woman's reproductive years. It involves hormonal shifts, primarily a decrease in estrogen and proestrogen, triggering diverse physical and emotional transformations. Typically occurring in the late 40s or early 50s, menopause results in the cessation of menstruation and fertility. The decline in estrogen levels contributes to symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and changes in bone density. While the experience varies among individuals, these hormonal fluctuations impact overall well-being. Understanding menopause empowers women to navigate its challenges, and medical interventions, lifestyle adjustments, and emotional support can help manage its effects. Embracing this natural life stage encourages a holistic approach to women's health as they transition beyond their reproductive phase. Hormonal roller coaster. Menopause unfolds as a gradual process with distinct stages. Perimenopause, the transitional phase leading up to menopause, is characterized by irregular menstrual cycles and intensified hormonal fluctuations. This period can give rise to symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and alterations in sleep patterns. The hormonal rollercoaster experience during perimenopause reflects the body's adjustment to declining estrogen levels, impacting both physical and emotional well-being. Understanding and managing these changes becomes crucial for women navigating through this transitional phase, with support, lifestyle adjustments, and, if necessary, medical interventions playing key roles in mitigating the challenges associated with the hormonal shifts during perimenopause. Lifestyle matters. Lifestyle choices significantly influence hormonal balance during menopause. Engaging in regular exercise, whether through activities like yoga or brisk walking, proves beneficial not only for weight management but also for stabilizing hormones. Physical activity can mitigate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings by promoting overall well-being. Additionally, a balanced and nutritious diet contributes to hormonal health. Adequate hydration, along with minimizing caffeine and alcohol intake, supports the body's adjustment to hormonal changes. Prioritizing sufficient sleep is crucial, as disrupted sleep patterns often accompany menopause. Tailoring these lifestyle choices to individual preferences ensures a personalized approach to managing hormonal balance during this transformative phase. Overall, adopting a holistic and proactive lifestyle can empower women to navigate menopause with greater ease and well-being. Nutritional support. Nutritional support during menopause plays a crucial role in managing its challenges. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon and flax seeds, offer significant benefits for brain health and mood stability. These essential fatty acids contribute to cognitive function and emotional well-being, potentially alleviating symptoms associated with hormonal changes. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the vital nutrients that support hormonal balance during menopause. Fruit and vegetables offer a plethora of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and helping to mitigate potential deficiencies that may arise during this life stage. Whole grains, such as quinoa and brown rice, contribute complex carbohydrates that sustain energy levels and aid in mood regulation. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet not only addresses specific menopausal challenges, but also supports overall well-being. Additionally, staying hydrated and limiting processed sugars and caffeine can further enhance the positive impact of a well-balanced diet on managing menopausal symptoms. Overall, strategic nutritional choices serve as a holistic approach to navigating the complexities of menopause and promoting a healthier transition. Stress management. Effectively managing stress is crucial during menopause, as stress can exacerbate symptoms associated with this life stage. Discovering personalized stress management techniques is essential for maintaining hormonal well-being. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature have proven effective in reducing stress levels. Meditation provides a mental sanctuary, fostering relaxation and emotional balance. Deep breathing exercises such as diaphragmatic breathing activate the body's relaxation response, promoting calmness and mitigating the psychological impact of stress. Nature, with its inherent tranquility, offers a therapeutic environment that can alleviate stress and contribute to overall well-being. Identifying and incorporating these stress management strategies into daily life can positively impact menopausal experiences. By prioritizing stress management, individuals can enhance their overall quality of life during this significant life transition. So guys, at the end of this video, menopause is a transformative phase, and understanding the hormonal changes it brings allows us to navigate it with greater ease. By incorporating healthy lifestyle choices and a balanced diet, you can support your body through this transition. Remember, it's a unique journey for every woman, so be patient with yourself.